Hi. Yo, guys, I'm so heartbroken. Okay. I'm so heartbroken. Please, I'm so. I'm so heartbroken. It's in a bamba code. I'm so heartbroken. I'm heartbroken. Guys, please let me buhlungu. Buhlungu. Moya ingcwele. Okay. Close your pin. Angaze ngabuhlungu. Buhlungu inhliziyo yami. Okay. So, ngixolele. Okay. Kunezimo eyivukile. Ngixoxolo. Like, when I'm sensitive, I'm very sensitive. So sensitive. Ebuhlungwini bomunye umuntu. Guys, kubuhlungu. Nkosi yokulunga kubuhlungu. Kubuhlungu. Okay, it's okay. 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 Abantu abangaziyo guys nabazobona le video. I have been through so much in my life. Ngendaba yabantu abadala nokuthwasa nokuhlukumezeka ephehlweni and yes, okunye engikufundayo la, the messages I transferred from my TikTok to my phone, and engikufundayo kuvusa amanxeba kumina, for the mere fact ukuthi I've been there and I could resonate with some of the messages or cases engiwafundayo. And today I think it made me realize ukuthi we are a fucked up race. We are a fucked up humankind. Like, we are a fucked up human race. Asinendaba nobuhlungu bomunye umuntu, as long as thina we benefit from it, as long as thina sithole sikufunayo. And yes, ubuhlungu buyafana, even though abantu bengeke bayengancane njengamanzi. What I've realized ukuthi I can't even breathe. Nkosi yokulunga ngisize baba. Ngisize moya weqiniso. Ngisize moya wokuphila. Ngisize moya wenkazimulo. Ngisize moya wokuphilisa. Ngisize moya wenjabulo. Ngisize moya ingcwele. Ngisize moya ophila emfihlakalweni. I can't even breathe. I can't uphefumula. Okay, so lento engiyifunda la iyangithinta it made my womb twitch. Siyadikiza isibeletho ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ngiyolala ezweni and ngoshiya abantwana emuva and ngiyobashiya ezandleni zabantu who are fucked up, you know. No wonder abantu abathi mabehlukumezeka but decide ukuthatha impilo zabantwana babo nabo ngoba bebona ukuthi angeke bakwazi ukubashiya emuva, rather bahambe bayolala nabemathuneni. Yes, it's wrong, but guys, we are fucked up. We are fucked up. Asina inhliziyo, abanye bethu asinazi inhliziyo zenyama. Ngifunda i-message engithumela abanye bangicelela ukuthi please sicela ungakhulumi ngoba lo muntu asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngathi 1 minute we are feeling ukuthi we need to be out esikhupheni ephehlweni, ngikhuluma ngosikhotheni, we need to be out ephehlweni nini siyahamba siyabuya sazi ukuthi nathi kanjani. So I put myself in their shoes because labo gobela basebenzisa imithi, kunemilutho abayisebenzisayo even if wena ungafuna ukukhumuka lamakhamandela wabo kulezi ibopho zabo, but you will always go back. And abakwazi ukuphunyuka njengami basuke benenhlanhla, bakwazi futhi bazokhuluma loudly and babe i-advocate yabanye abantu abangakwazi ukukhuluma. I am an advocate for those who are suffering in silence. Okay, I'm reading a message. Intombazini ithi gogo izinto ezenziwa lapha zibhlungu and abantwana bayafuna ukuphuma kodwa bakwazi. Uthi lapha yana abantwana bathandana bodwa. They were told ukuthi amadlozi abafuna isithembu. Uthi ngangena ngishadile ngamangala mase ngiphuma senginemizwa yabantu besifazane. Uyaqhubeka uthi there are several rape cases there and abantwana bayafuna ukuthi bahambe bayovula ama cases of rape. However, mabekhuluma naye usikhotheni uthi abatshena ukuthi abangazozenza ama victim. Guys, kuningi. I won't be able to narrate this because I'm so emotional. So I think maybe tomorrow or like today I've got a Teams appointment. Maybe tomorrow or during the week I'll be able to. I'm so emotional. But uthi uthi ngamangala gogo senginemizwa yabantu besifazane. Uthi lapho ngumzuzu ngiyazazi ukuthi ngangena ngumuntu ongazwani nesiphithiphithi. Uthi ngamtshela wathi ngizenza ngcono as yena kanamaphutha. Uthi whatever case oyibika kuyena uyayithatha enze joke. Uthi kwabazali angeke bakwazi ukwenza lutho ngoba lo muntu unomuthi. Uthi lezi ngane are being raped by these old boys. Uthi unomunye olaphayo la amtshena ukuthi usekethwasile uqedile uthwase emaphusheni. Uthi kunengane yangena incane beqambela amangothi uzoyi-adopta namhlanje iphuza utshwala ayifunda.